You will learn how to clear cookies and other browsing data from this video tutorial on Microsoft Edge. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to open your web browser, which is Microsoft Edge in this case. Then once the browser opens or you're already on a browsing page, but you want to clear the cookies and other browsing data, click on these three dots at the top right. Okay, then select settings. So once you click on the settings page and you're here, okay, you will see this option here, clear browsing data. All right, then click on it. On clicking on it, you will see these options here. Maybe when you click, maybe you'll be on this last hour here. That's how it is in most cases by default. All right. So let's click on this drop down and select all time so that all the browsing data and cookies and everything will be cleared. Okay, so if you want to clear both the browsing history, you select this. If you want to clear the download history, you select this. If you want to clear cookies and other site information, site data, select this. And cached and images. Okay, so here I don't want to clear password, but if you want to clear password too, you select this. All right, so but my interest here is browsing history, download history, cookies and other data, and cached images and files. Okay, so once you select what you want to clear, click on clear now. All right, and everything will be cleared. So it's like you're now browsing on a fresh browser. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does so, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you have further questions, drop that in the comment section, okay? And hit the like button so that YouTube will know that this is a valuable content and push it to more people. You can watch this video here to learn more on web browsing. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.